Hello friends, I am Dr. Anjani Kumar and I am going to let's practice with paper 1 Net JRF question paper solve previous year दिसंबर 2023 solve question paper 1 general aptitude क्वेश्चन 1 to 5 की ओर चलते हैं द फॉलोइंग टेबल शो द percentage distribution of the number of candidate boys and girls and the number of boys who appeared in the entrance examination from 6 different cities A to F. Total of 78,000 candidates appeared from all the 6 cities in which the number of boys was 24,000 based on the data of the table. Answer the question below. Follow. City-wise details of candidates who appear an exam. Percentage distribution city A, B, C, D, E, F. Candidates who appeared in the exam 70%, 13.5%, 15%, 20%, 8.5%, 26%. Boys who appeared in the exam 23%. B is 20%, C is 17%, D is 10%, E is 21%, F is 9%. Next question is number of boys who appear from a city A is percentage more than from number of boys who appear from city A is percentage more than that from a city B. After the calculation, A 78,000 candidates, a percentage of boys of 24,000, number of boys, girls candidate, number total boys. A is equal to 70,000, 17% and 23%. इसका हम निकालेंगे तो 13,216, नंबर ऑफ बॉयज 1520, number of total boys, girls candidate total boys 77,740. सेकेंड है 13.5, 10,530, 20, 408, 4,800, 5,730, 50, 11,700, 17, 4,018, 7,620. ये D20 50,600, 10, 2,400, 13,200. नेक्स्ट है 8.5, 6,613, 21, 5,014, 1,519. नेक्स्ट इज 26, 20,280, 9, 2,160, 18,120. Difference between from city A city B is equal to 520 minus 4,800 is equal to 720. Percentage of city A from more than boys from city B is equal to 720 by 400 1800 into 100 is equal to 15%. The correct answer is C, 1500. Next question is number of girls who appear from CTF is approximately percentage. What percentage of the number of girls who appeared from all the 6 cities together? A 31.5, B 33.55, C 32.55, D 34.55. Option B is correct. Correct option is 33.55. Number of girls appear in examination from CIF is equal to 18,120. Total girls is equal to 54,000. Percentage of girls from CTF of total girls 8,120 into 1,000 by 54,000 is equal to 3 शून्य तो 2 शून्य तो 2 शून्य 1 शून्य तो 1 शून्य कट जाएगा। अब बचा 33.55. Number of girls who appear from CTC is approximately what percentage of the number of candidates who appear from CTD? A option is 45, B option is 49, C option is 54, D option is 57. Number of girls from CTC is equal to 7,620. Now total candidate from CTD is equal to 15,600. Percentage of girls from CTC of total candidates from CTD is equal to 7,620. 7,620 into 100 by 15,600 is equal to 2 soon cross and 156 is equal to 48.84% or 49% approx. Then the correct answer is 49. What is the difference between the number of boys and the number of girls who appear in the exam from CTE? Option is 3,450. Option B 3,500. Option C is 3,550. Option D 3,650. Girls from CTE is equal to 1,519. Boy from CTE is equal to 514. Difference between 5,014 माइनस इसमें से हम घटा लेंगे 519 इज इक्वल टू 350 तो देन करेक्ट आंसर इज बी 3,500. What is the total number of girls who appear from CTA? Option A is equal to 600 420, B 600 880, C 70 7,300, D 7,074. जी, the correct answer is D, 7,074. Option D is correct. एक्सप्लेनेशन ये रहा एक्सप्लेनेशन। परसेंटेज ऑफ कैंडिडेट हमें ऑलरेडी मालूम है, परसेंटेज ऑफ बॉयज आर गिवन। already given. Number of boys and girls is calculated by this calculation. Girls candidates of total boys is already calculated. Now so girls appear in a city is A is equal to 7,440. 7,740. Match the list with list 2. List 1 water category. Second list 2 pH volume, normal water, rain water, acid rain water, ocean water. Choose the correct answer from the given below. Correct answer is B. ए का 4, बी का 3rd, बी का 3rd, सी का 1, डी का 1, सी का 2, सी का 2, डी का 1. एक्सप्लेनेशन हियर इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन। नॉर्मल वाटर की पीएच वैल्यू 7 होती है, एसिड रेन 5 और 7 लेस देन 5 होता है, ओशियन वाटर मोर देन 7 और 7 लेस देन 7 होते हैं, और मोर देन 7 भी होते हैं। रेन वाटर 5 to 6 पीएच वैल्यू होता है। द पीएच वैल्यू मेजर द the pH value measure the concentration of hydrogen ion in the solution. It measures on a pH scale which has value from 0 to 14. Any solution lines under 7 of pH value is acidic. Solution above 7 are base. Is equal to 7 are neutral. Value pH 7 on the pH scale is neutral, which is the pH value of the fresh water. Next question की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Which of the following Indian universities were modeled on the lines of University of London? Option A कलकत्ता, B बॉम्बे, C मद्रास, D आंध्र प्रदेश, ई मोर्से। चूज द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द ऑप्शन गिवन बिलो। करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, बी एंड सी ओनली। ए कलकत्ता, बी इजकल टू बॉम्बे, सी इजकल टू मद्रास। द वुड्स डिस्पैच 1854 कंपेजिन्ड फॉर द क्रिएशन ऑफ, इसने कंपेजिन किया हुआ है क्रिएशन ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी इन द 3 मेजर टाउन्स ऑफ कलकत्ता, मद्रास एंड बॉम्बे, मॉडल्ड ऑन द लाइन ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लंदन। चार्ली वुड वाज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑफ द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी इन इंडिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Consider the following letter: capital A, B, D, C, I, D, P. Next series is what? The next term what in the series is, क्या हो सकता है ये, एस, ई भी, ई वाई, ई बी। ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, ई वाई। नेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन की ओर चलते हैं। गिवन सीरीज ए बी डी सी आई डी पी series divided into two parts. First part is A B C D E. Second part A plus 2 is equal to A plus 2 is equal to B and C is equal to D. Second part D plus 4 missing word E F G H is equal to I. 6 plus 6 missing part is 2 4 6। इसके वैल्यूज में इसके ऑर्डर बढ़ रहे हैं। तो 6 मिसिंग जे के एल एम एन ओ इजकल टू पी। हाउ नेक्स्ट पी प्लस 8 मिसिंग वर्ड पी क्यू आर एस टी यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स इजकल टू वाई। सो मिसिंग टर्म इज ई एंड वाई। Question 9. Identify the correct order of the term AE to complete the following paragraph about computer device and technology. And what allow a user to write on a surface using a pen, and the text and drawings can then be captured and stored for later use. And fill in the blanks. Printer products a hard copy of document using fill in the blanks. And piezoelectric technology a fill in the blanks. Printer used a fill in the blanks drum and positive and negative charge to produce a hard copy of the document. Option A is inkjet, B is interactive whiteboard, C is laser, D is rotating, E is thermal bubble. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. A, B, A. Correct answer is B. B, A, E, C, D. B is first, E is second. Interactive whiteboard, E thermal bubble, E B A is equal to inkjet, E is equal to E thermal bubble, C laser fourth number, D rotating 5 number. An interactive whiteboard allows user to write on surface using a pen, and the text drawing can be captured and stored for later use. A inkjet printer product a hard copy of a document using thermal bubble and piezoelectric technology. Laser printer use a rotating drum and positive and negative charges to produce a hard copy of a document. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। ए सम ऑफ 10,000 is invested at the rate of interest 8% per annum compound half yearly. What will be the maturity amount of 1.1/2 years? (1.5 year). Option A is 11,248.64, 11,200. B is 10,816.20. D is 10,108.64. Correct answer is A. 11,248.64. Rate 8% per annum but compound half yearly. Means interest will double in 1 year. Here have 3 parts of half year. After 6 months 4% will be added. After 6 months 10,000 plus 400, addition of 400 is equal to 10,400. After 1 year 10,400 plus 460 is equal to 10,860. Maturity amount after dead year 1.5 year is equal to 10,860 plus 432.64 is equal to 11,248.64. In academic writing, the abbreviation FN is used to function is used to represent forenoon, footnote, forward page number, following page number. Option A is correct. Forenoon. Abbreviation FN is used to represent a footnote. Footnote is written at the end of paragraph or page, while endnote is written at the end of the document. Question 12. Given below the two statements. Statement 1. Crypto protocol only binds developed country and places heavier burden on them. Statement 2. Crypto protocol has nothing to do with United States Framework Convention on Climate Change UNFCCC. In light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are true. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. Statement 1 and 2 statement are false. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Option B is correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 is false. Crypto protocol works on principle common but different responsibility, which ultimately puts more burden on developed countries, but it does not bind only developed countries but all the countries. Hence, statement 1 is incorrect. The Crypto protocol is linked with UNFCCC. Hence, statement 2 is also incorrect. The Crypto protocol is an international treaty with a goal of reducing major greenhouse gases. Some facts or key points about this protocol are follow. It was signed in 1997 but got affected from 16 February 2005. The first committed period of the Crypto protocol was 2008 to 2012. Second committed period, which is also called the Doha Amendment, was 2013 and 2020. 84 countries were series of this protocol. There were 192 parties. Canada withdrew from protocol effective December 2012 to this protocol in 2020. The USA has never ratified it. It was adopted in Kyoto, Japan on 11 December 1997. The Kyoto project was negotiated under the UNFCCC, or United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, which was signed in 1992 in New York. The aim of this protocol was to focus on ethnographic greenhouse gases emission. Question 13. A train running at a speed of 19 km/h starts slowing down at a constant rate of decrease in speed of 2.5 meter per second. What is the distance covered by train before it comes on a halt? A option is 500 meter, 2 option is 750, C is 250, D is 125 meter. Option D is correct. Acceleration A is equal to minus 2.5 meter per second square. Initial speed of train U is equal to 90 km/h or 25 meter second. Final speed of train velocity is equal to 0 meter second. Distance covered by the train S is equal to what? Acceleration to formula mu square is equal to mu square. V square is equal to mu square plus 2s. Therefore 0 is equal to 25 square plus 2 into minus 2.5 second. S is equal to 625, 25 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 625/5 is equal to 120. From the communication viewpoint of complexity, predictable situation is considered to have less fluidity, entropy, less sensitivity. Option D is correct. In context of communication, less sensitivity implies that the situation is more predictable and less responsive to subtle changes. It suggested that the communication environment is not easily influenced or affected by variation, making it more stable and less prone to unexpected shift. Question 15. The policy on higher education during the 8-5-year plan was to encourage A option is expansion of public sector, involvement of private sector, establishment of foreign campuses, entry of foreign university. Foreign universities मतलब outside India. Means option B is correct. Involvement of private sector. After LPG policy of 1991, 8th 5-year Plan was introduced in 1992 as many weaknesses were identified in the higher education system. This plan encouraged the involvement of the private sector in the education system to get quality education and standards. Many public sector schemes were launched such as midday meals program. Educational goal of the 5-year plan as follow. 5-year plan year 1951 to 1956. Say a goal related with educational sector. Set of 5 new IIT 1956 to 61. Improvement of a standard of college and university education. 1961 to 1966, it emphasized on technology development and economic growth and can be achieved through education only. For this purpose, this plan focus on equal availability and accessibility of education in every part of the country. Secondary education boards were established 1985 to 90. Plan emphasized on the need to train and educated human sources as we had a large population. The plan stressed on removal of obsolescence and modernization of technical education as well as hogging of beneficial linkage with industry. Right Development Agency 1992 to 1997, it was announced that higher education was suffering from the weakness like low standard, failure of illustration, outdated syllabus and curriculum. Following area were identify reference from official document. Integral approach to higher education, excellence of legal education, expansion of education in the equitable and cost-effective manner, in the process making the higher education system financially self-supporting, making higher education relevant in this context of changing socio-economic scenario, promotion of value education and strengthening of management system in universities. Para 1.7.1, 1997 to 2002. Broadly, the ninth plan emphasized on the following strategy to improve the higher education system. Consolidation and expansion of institutions, development of autonomous college and department, resigning of course, training and teachers, strengthening of research, improvement of efficiency, review and monitoring, etc. 2002 to 2007, massive institutional infrastructure for promotion of higher education and research in the country. The 2007 and to 2012. The Right of Education Act 2010 was introduced. It provided free compulsory education to children of the age 6 to 14 years. Section 21A was added in the Constitution of India for the same. Question 16. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The rating system of higher educational institutions followed in India does not touch the structural diversity of such institution. Statement 2. A universal of holistic rating system is not feasible in India. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. Statement 1 and 2 is false. Statement 1 and 1 is false, but statement B is true. Option C. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Statement 1. The rating system of higher education and institution followed by India does not touch the structural diversity of such institutions. This statement suggests that the existing rating system in India does not adequately address the structural diversity of higher educational institutions. This could mean that the current rating method may not sufficiently consider the diverse nature of institutions. Statement 2. A universal and holistic rating system is not feasible in India. This statement suggests that having a universal and holistic rating system is not feasible in India. However, this statement is a broad assertion and might not be universally agreed upon. It may be argued that while challenges exist, creating a holistic rating system is not necessarily impossible. Given this statement, various assessment aspects of the rating system in India and truth can be acknowledged. However, statement 2 is a generalization that may not hold true for everyone, making it false. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Given below are two statements. One of is labeled as assertion A and one is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. As per classical Indian view of logic of the argument, sound is quality because is visible to fallacious. Reason R. As per the classical Indian view of logic argument, sound is quality because it is visible involve a middle term that cannot its very nature be present in the minor term. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is true, but R is true. Correct option is A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion A. As per classical Indian view of logical argument, sound is quality because it is visible to fallacious. Reason R. As per classical Indian view of logic of the argument, sound is quality because it is visible involved a middle term that cannot, by its very nature, be present in the minor term. In classical Indian logic, the argument presented in a assertion A is needed considered fallacious. The reason provided reason R currently explains why the argument is fallacious. The idea that sound is quality because it is visible, a middle term visibility that is not applicable to the minor term sound. The nature of the middle term visibility does not align the characteristic of the minor term sound, making the argument logically followed. Therefore, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, exposure the mercury can be either through food chain or in workplace. Statement 2, poisoning by inorganic mercury, particularly vaporous, result in the damage to the central nervous system. In light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Both A and 2 are true. Both 1 and 2 are false. Both statement 1 is true but 2 is false. Statement 1 is false but 2 is true. Option A is correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Next question 19. A teacher wants to assess the student performance and want to give immediate feedback. Which software will you select to the assignment? Cannot, plot on, Screencast-O-Matic, Animaker, Quizy. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option D is correct. A and E only. A is cannot. D is Animaker. Cannot. It is an online game-based learning platform, commonly used for creating interactive quizzes and assignments. Plotagon. It is an animation tool that allows users to create animated video. Which is a creative tool. It may not be directly suited for immediate assignment and feedback. Screencast-O-Matic. It is a screen recording tool primarily used to capturing and recording screen activity. While useful for certain purposes, it may not be best choice for immediate assignment and feedback. Animaker. It is another animation tool similar to Plotagon. It is more focused on creating animated presentation rather than immediate assignment. Quizy. It is an online platform of creating and delivering quiz. It provides the immediate feedback to a student and designed for assignment purpose. Given that teachers want to assess a student performance and provide immediate feedback, the most suitable choices are not and E. Quizy. Therefore, the correct answer is D. A and E only. Cannot and Quizy. Question 20. Which of the following statements are logically equivalent? Some apps are not non-monkeys. Some apps means langur, are not non-monkeys. Some monkeys are not non-apes. Some monkeys are apes. Some apes are monkey. Choose the correct answer from the position given below. Correct option is C. B, C and D only. B is the some monkey are not non-apes. C, some monkey are apes. D, some apes are monkeys. Question 21. Which of the following prepositions are so related that they cannot both be false, although that they may both be true as per a square of opposition? Some apes are monkeys. All apes are monkeys. Some apes are not monkeys. No apes are monkey. Choose the correct answer in given below. Option correct is C. Yes, A and E only. Some apes are monkeys. Some apes are not monkeys. A and C only. Given below two statements. Statement 1. An output device then creates an object by building layer upon layer of material is called 3D printer. It is widely used in CAD application. Statement 2. Laptop can be used even when not plugged into the electricity socket. The light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Both 1 and 2 are true. 1 and 2 are false. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Option C is correct. An output device that creates an object by building layer upon layer of material is called an 3D printer. It is widely used in CAD applications, CAD application. This statement is true. A 3D printer is an output device that creates physical objects only, adding material layer by layer based on a digital model. It is widely used in computer-aided design (CAD) application. Statement 2. Laptops can be used even when not plugged into electricity socket if it has enough charging to its initial stage. In terms of the most generalized case, the laptop can never be used without electricity, hence the statement 2 is false. A variable that has a casual impact on another variable is called dependent variable. Independent variable, confounding variable, extraneous variable. Option B is correct. Independent variable. Independent variable is the cause and dependent variable is the result. Given the two statements. Question 24. Statement 1. International Solar Alliance vision lets us together make a sun brighter. Statement 2. International Solar Alliance mission, every home, far away will have a light at home. In light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the given below. Both 1 and 2 is true, 1 and 2 are false. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true. Correct option is A. Both statement 1 and B are true. 1 and 2 are true. International Solar Alliance is an international agreement which has signed at COP 2022 in 2016. COP 22 in 2016. The focuses on solar energy. Vision of this agreement is let's us together make the sun brighter. Mission of this agreement is every home, no matter how far away, will have a light at home. The learning in which a new behavior is acquired but not demonstrated until reinforcement is provided is known as observational learning, social learning, latent learning, moral learning. Correct option is C. Latent learning. Learning in which demonstration is not done until the reinforcement or required is called latent learning. This is the type of observational learning. Observational learning is a type of learning in which a child student learns through observation or observing the surroundings. Social learning was introduced in 1917. This says that a child or a person learns from the social contents by observing and limitation. This learning is based on connective learning theory. Moral learning is the learning of moral value or ethics. Match list 1 with list 2. HTTP URL, MAC address, IP address. Choose the correct answer from given below. Option A is correct. A का 2. HTTP, the main protocol that governs the transmission of data using the internet. B is equal to 4. URL, the website address that they type into the address bar. C is equal to first MAC address, unique address given to the devices on the network. It is provided by manufacturer. D IP address, बचा हुआ कौन है थर्ड, an address given to each device on the network. It is provided by the network. MAC address is a unique address of the device which is provided by manufacturer. IP address is the unique address of the device over network. This address provided by the network. HTTP and Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the main protocol which helps in transmission of data over the network. URL is a universal resource locator, is the website address that is typed in the address bar. Question 27. It is so obvious that this world was created by an intelligence God. Just look at the amazing degree of organization that the world display, which fallacy is committed in the arguments. Fallacy of composition. Beginning of the question. Straw man, false couch. Option B is correct. Beginning of the question. Lead, iron, copper, and mercury are the some example of leachates. Leachates are defined as the solution which generates the liquid is travel from the solid to depreciate the solid. In other words, leachates can be defined as contaminated liquid draining from the landfills. Leachates are persistent organic pollutants, algae found on Earth, eutrophic lakes, ozone depleting substance, contaminated liquid draining from landfill. Option D is correct. Contaminated liquid draining from landfills. Leachate is defined as any contaminated liquid that is generally filtered from the water percolating through a soil waste disposal site, accumulating contaminants and moving into surface area. Question 29. The concept of farming is used for tailor political issue in election campaigns as part of communication strategy by media audience, security audience, the election commission, the spin doctors. Option D is correct. Spin doctors are communication strategies or political operatives whose aims to shape the narrative and perception of political issue by framing them in a way that benefits their candidates or party. Question 30. Which of the following subjects were taught at the University of Navadvip? Navadvip in ancient India. Archaeology, physics, logic, literature, tantra. Choose the correct answer from given below. Option C is correct. C, D and E. C is logic, D is literature, E is tantra. Navadvip University was founded by a scholar of Mithalia. It used to follow by Nyaya Shastra to counter the philosophy of Buddhism. It was also known as Oxford of Bengal. Main branches of education in university was logic, grammar, politics and law. Nanya Shastra, Meenamsa Shastra, Tarka Shastra was also associated with the university. Given below are two statements. Buddhists consider the language of communication as a divine gift. Statement 2. Buddhists are of the view of the language for communication evolved according to the social context of condition. In light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Both statement 1 and 2 is true, 1 and 2 is false. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false, 1 is false, 2 is true. Correct answer is D. Statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Buddhists generally do not consider language as a divine gift. Rather, they often emphasize the political and contextual evolution of language. Therefore, statement 1 is false and 2 is consistent with Buddhist view of language evolution, making it true. Question 32. As per a square of opposition, if the statement some birds are apes is given as false, then which of the following statement can be immediately inferred to be true? Option A. All birds are apes, some birds are apes. C. No birds are apes, all birds are apes, not apes. Choose the correct answer from the given below. Option A is correct. C and D. No birds are apes, all birds are not apes. If some birds are apes is false, it means there is no overlapping between birds and apes. Therefore, no birds and apes are all birds are not apes are true. The mean and standard deviation of 75 observation are 45 and 10 respectively. If 2 is added to each observation, the new mean and standard deviation will be S 4712, B 4740, C 4710, D 4612. Option C is correct. 4710. By adding of the same value of each number of the series, mean will be changed by the sum value and standard deviation will remain the same. However, multiplying and dividing by the same constant to each value will change both the mean and standard deviation. Question 34. The given below are two statements. Statement 1. As per Dewey vision of learning, learners should demonstrate their knowledge through creativity and collaboration. Statement 2. According to Piaget, learning is independent of the developmental stage of learner. In light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. 1 and 2 is correct. 1 and 2 are incorrect. 1 is correct, 2 is false. 1 is correct, 2 is correct. Incorrect, 2 is correct. Option C is correct. Option C, statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. The way education philosophy emphasizes the importance of learning in expressing their understanding through creativity and collaboration. Piaget's theory highlights the significance of learner being tied to development stage of the learner. In Piaget's view, cognitive development influences how individuals understand the learns. Question 35. Which of the following are the example of explicit metacommunication? A. Silent remorse. Avoidance of eye contact. Apology. Excuses. Explanation. Correct answer from the given below. C is correct. C, D and E only. C, D and E only. C is apology. D is excuses. E explanation. Next, explicit metacommunication refer to the communication about the communication itself. Silent remorse, it is not explicit metacommunication. Avoidance of eye contact, this is not explicit. Avoidance of eye contact, this is not explicit metacommunication. Apologies can be considered explicit metacommunication as they acknowledge and address the communication itself. Excuses can indeed be considered from the explicit metacommunication as they involve providing reasons for or justification for one's action or communication. Explanations can be considered explicit metacommunication as they provide additional information about the communication. So the correct answer is C and D and E. Next question 36. Consider the following number series 1, 3, 7, 5, 15, 31. Correct answer is D, 63. 3 is equal to 1 into 2 plus 1. 7 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 plus 1. 15 is equal to 7 into 2 plus 1. 31 is equal to 15 into 2 plus 1. 63 is equal to 31 into 2 plus 1. So 63 is the missing number. In the which of the following college European education was imparted through the medium of mother tongue before independence? Mayo College Ajmer, Sant Stephen College Delhi, Sant Xavier College Calcutta, University College Lahore. Correct option is D. University College Lahore play a notable role in imparting European education through the medium of mother tongue vernacular language. Before India gained independence, the concept was part of the effort to make education more accessible to the local population by using languages familiar to them. The practice aimed to bridge the gap between the education and the system introduced by the colonial power and the linguistic diversity of the Indian subcontinent, the use of mother tongue as a medium of instruction was a significant aspect of educational policy during that period. Next question. Which of the following are identified as the role of non-verbal communication in relation to verbal communication? Option A accentuation, B supervision, C repetition, D substitution, C contradiction. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Correct answer is A. A, B and C only. B supervision, C repetition, A accentuation. Non-verbal communication can play five roles. Repetition, it repeats to and often strength and the message you are making verbally. Contradiction, it can contradict the message you are trying to convey, thus indicating to your listener that you may not be telling the truth. Substitution, it can substitute for a verbal message. For example, your facial expression often convey a far more vivid message than words even can. Complementing, it may add or to or complement your verbal message. As a boss, if you pat an employee on the back in addition to giving praise, it can increase the impact of your message. Accenting, it may accent or underline a verbal message. Pounding the table, for example, can underline the importance of the message. So the correct answer is A and B, A, B, C only. Quantitative research can be constructed as a research strategy that usually intends a deductive approach to the relationship between theory and research, emphasizes an inductive approach to the relationship between theory and research, rejects the practices and norms of natural scientific method and of positivism in particular, embodies a view of social reality as a constantly shifting emergent property of individual creation. Correct answer is A. Intends a deductive approach to the relationship between theory and research. Quantitative research it is a research strategy that focused on quantifying the collection and analysis of data. It is formed from deductive approach where emphasis is placed on the testing of theory shaped by empiricists and positivist philosophies. In Charlotte Danielson's framework for teaching, the domain of planning and preparation has following components: organizing physical space in classroom, setting instructional outcome, designing a student assignment, demonstrating knowledge and content, and pedagogy. pedagogy, demonstrating knowledge of resources. Correct option is C. B, C, D, and E. B, setting instructional outcome. C, designing a student assignment. D, demonstrated knowledge of content and pedagogy. Demonstrating knowledge of resources. Next question is, here is the explanation. Components of professional practice domain 1, planning and preparation components. Component 1A, demonstrating knowledge of content and pedagogy. Knowledge of content, knowledge of prerequisites, relationship, knowledge of content related pedagogy. Component 1B, demonstrating knowledge of a student, knowledge of characteristics of age group, knowledge of a student varied approaches of learning, knowledge of a student skill and knowledge of a student interest and cultural heritage. 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 Component 1C, selecting constructional goal, values, clarity, suitability for diverse student balance. Component 1D, demonstrating knowledge of resources, resources for teaching, resources for a student. Component 1E, designing coherent instruction, learning activities, instructional material and resources, instructional groups, lesson and unit structure. Component 1F, asserting a student learning congruous with instructional goals, criteria and standards used for planning. The computer used RAM and ROM to store data. Which of the following statement describing ROM are true? Question 41. Option A, it stores the programs and data that are currently in use. Option B, it is used to boot up the computer when power is turned on. C, it contains are retained when power is turned off. Correct answer is D. B and C only. It used to boot up the computer when power is turned on. C, its components are retained when power is turned off. Option B is used to boot up computer when power is turned on. The statement is correct. ROM, read-only memory, often contains the firmware or BIOS, basic input-output system, necessary for the computer to initiate the booting process. Option C, its contents are retained when power is turned off. This statement is also correct. Unlike RAM, random access memory, which is volatile and loses its data when power is turned off, ROM retains its content, making it non-volatile storage. Given two statements. Question 42. Statement 1. Qualitative research lay emphasis on Contextual understanding. Statement 2. Quantitative research is typically highly unstructured. In light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. A, first and second is correct and incorrect. One is correct, B is false. So one is incorrect, B is correct. Correct option is C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1. Quantitative research lay emphasis on contextual understanding. This statement is correct. Qualitative research is often focused on exploring the depth and context of phenomena, aiming to understand the underlying meanings and interpretations. Statement 2. Quantitative research is typically highly unconstructed. This statement is incorrect. Quantitative research is known for its structure and systematic approach involving the collection and analysis of numerical data to identify patterns, relationship, and statistical significance. In summary, qualitative research emphasizes contextual understanding while quantitative research is structured and involves numerical data. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The non-directive model of teaching nurtures a student rather than controlling the sequence of learning. Statement 2. In the non-directive model of the teaching, the teacher's role is that of the facilitator who has counseling relationship with a student and who guides their growth and development. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the option below. Option A, 1 and B is correct. In an organization, the question 44. In an organization, there are total of 40 employees consisting of 5 executive officers, senior staff and 20 junior staff. The monthly salaries of the executive officer, a senior staff and a junior staff are 2,50,000 and rupee 80,000 and 45,000 respectively. What is the average salary of an employee of the organization? Correct option is D. 83,750. Total salary of executive officer is equal to 5 into 2,50,000 is equal to 12,50,000. Total salary of senior staff 50 into 80,000 is equal to 12 lakh. Total salary of junior staff is equal to 20 into 45,000 into 9 lakh. Total amount 33,50,000 Average salary is equal to total amount number of employees is equal to 33 lakh 15,000 slash 40 is equal to divided by 40 is equal to 83,750. Alisa has agreed to send Khushi a 20 megabyte file. They both have a broadband internet connection. Alisa has to upload her file to a server, and then Khushi needs to download it from the same server. The broadband data transfer rate speeds are 1 Mbps to upload a file and 8 Mbps per second to download a file. If P and Q represent the time taken in a second to upload and download Alisa file respectively, then P and Q is equal to option D is correct. 116:20. 1 megabyte is equal to 8 megabits. 20 megabyte is equal to 160 megabits. Time taken to upload a file P is equal to size in megabyte upload speed 20 into 8 divided by 1 megabyte per second is equal to 160 second. 160 second is equal to 2 minutes. The time taken Q to download the file is equal to file size in megabytes. Download speed is equal to 20 into 8 divided by 8 is equal to 20 second. PQ is equal to 160 by 60 or 20. Direction for question 46 to 50. Read the passage given below and answer the following question. India became the first country to land near the moon's uncharted South Pole region at 6:03 p.m. after 18 nail-biting minutes of descent ended in a perfect touchdown, offering irrefutable evidence of the astronomical abilities and galactic ambitions of a nation that on Wednesday announced itself as one of the world's foremost space power. Chandrayaan 3's touchdown Chandrayaan 3 touchdown, which completed an extraordinary arc of decade of scientific perseverance, also opened new visits for the country for a space program in the lucrative market of space exploration and commerce. India is on the moon. S. Somnath, the chief of the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), said as the Chandrayaan 3 lander Vikram with the Pragyan rover contained within made a safe and soft landing on the moon. The watershed movement came mere day after Russia, a space veteran, crashed its mooncraft while attempting to reach the same territory at the estimated budget of $75 million. Chandrayaan 3 was built at fraction of the cost of not only previous American lunar mission but also this summer cinema blockbuster Oppenheimer and Brave. The Russia Luna 25 had cost $200 million. This is a victory cry of a new India, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi, waving the India flag as he watched the landing from South Africa. Beaming scientists and officials burst into applause and hugged each other in joy of ISRO mission operation complex and Bangalore and Vikram lander finally come to the rest on the rough lunar train after 18 minutes that pushed millions in India on the edge of their seats. Question 46. The word India is on the moon. Were spoken by C. The Chief of ISRO. Option A. Indian Prime Minister. Option B. The Russian President. The Russian President. C. The Chief of ISRO. D. The American President. The success of India Moon mission is significant because it will make India a manufacturing hub. Option A is correct, B, C and D. Wrong. It has made India one of the world's foremost space power. Correct. It has opened new avenue for India space exploration. Correct. It has opened new visits in a increasing market of space exploration and commerce. That is correct. Then correct answer is A, B and C only. Question 48. India became the first country into the world to land on the moon, land a person on the moon, land near the south pole of the moon, orbit of the moon. Correct answer is C. Land near the south pole of the moon. Question 49. Which of the following represents the estimated cost of building Chandrayaan 3? Option A, $200 million. That is wrong. The same cost as the making of film Barbie. More than that is wrong. More than the cost of making of a film Oppenheimer. That is wrong. D. $75 million. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Chandrayaan 3 success was a result of years of scientific efforts. Statement 2. Russia Luna 25 launched on the moon minutes of Chandrayaan 3. In light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. 1 is 2 are true. Option B, both statement 1 and 2 statement are false. Option C, that is correct. incorrect, that is incorrect. C is correct. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. That is also incorrect.